This is my view from my porch. The sky, the clouds, the treetops. This is a view that farmed animals never see in our society. Factory farmed animals only see the sky on the day that they die, on the day they take them to a gas chamber or to another building to have their throats slit. Whenever I see the sky, it's not the same anymore. I used to look at the clouds moving, feel joy and calmness. Now, there's always a twinge of pain with it, knowing that I am privileged to be able to be here and they're not. And knowing that everyone on this street has at least some dead animal in their fridge or their secretions. Milk, cheese, eggs, ham, sausage, steak. All of the animals suffered terribly on factory farms. Most people don't really understand what goes on because these industries lie to us, and they've lied to us for years and desensitized us. They've turned us into speciesists. It's the same as racists, except it's prejudice against animals who never did a single thing to us ever. When you look up at the sky, look up at the clouds, remember this: you are privileged. You are not here suffering like they were and like they still are. And you have so much ability to change the world. You have so much power. Once you become vegan, you can influence everyone around you like a domino effect. You won't just be stopping 200 animals from dying a year, but many, many more. That's the beauty of being an animal rights activist. You know you can live your life and leave this planet eventually knowing you did your absolute best to undo the harm that you did for so many years. We were all born vegan, all of us. Our mother's milk was vegan, and we were born never wanting to hurt animals. It wasn't our fault that we were fed these dead bodies. But when we know better, we can do better, and we can change. That includes you, right now. You can be vegan from now on. For help, go to challenge22.com. There's free coaching there. If you need more help, you can go to howdoigovegan.com. Remember the animals. Think about if you were in their place, what would you want you to do? You can save them. You can be the hero. Thanks for listening. See you all in the next video.